You guys, this is my step ladder. I never knew my real ladder. Stick around, I'm going to refurbish some shelves. Hello my friends. Today I'm going to rebuild and refinish these shelves. I believe they were meant to be end tables, but... Oh wait, hold on. Excuse me. Ironically, I sneezed before blowing the dust off of these. Anyway, I think these were end tables, but they just seemed like they'd make good shelves if I could hang them on the wall. And several years ago, that's exactly what I did. They look like this. And this. And they held my silly trinkets and treasures. And when this is done, they're going to hold those things again. I definitely wasn't expecting that. I got these shelves from a good friend whose father made them in shop class. And since this friend is around my age, I'm guessing these were made in the 1950s. The wood is walnut and the joints were glued and nailed, but as you can see, the glue has long since deteriorated. I pulled the nails and scraped the glue off with a chisel, but not one of my good chisels. Have I mentioned that I love my leg vise? This was the only shelf that was made from more than one board. All the others were a single board, and with a couple of them it was painfully obvious they were warped like crazy. This glue has to dry, so I have to wait until the
next day.
I didn't want to get into trying to make these shelves perfect. I could have tried to flatten the boards and change the joinery, but I wanted to keep them the way they were built as much as possible. I'm sure that my friend's dad was very proud of them when he built them. I would have been. And also, this needed to be a quick project, so there's that. I'm sure you're glad that I didn't make you watch me sand all the pieces, so 4 hours of sanding later, I was putting it together. These nails were going right back into the existing nail holes, so it just took a few taps. They made nice clamps until I could get the real clamps on. And once I did get the clamps on, I just had to wait until the
next day.
Does anybody remember that? It's from the Powerpuff Girls. Hopefully I won't get sued. it's time for some fast motion finishing. Look at him go. Wait, man. Dude, you gotta slow down. They can't see what you're doing. Okay, that's better. I used boiled linseed oil for the finish, diluted with mineral spirits, of course. That seemed good enough protection by itself. And now for the glamour shots. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I really appreciate all of you. Thanks, and God bless.